Meaning of Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie.
Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie was an American author and lecturer known for his books on self-improvement and interpersonal skills. His most famous book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, has sold over 30 million copies worldwide and is considered a classic in the field of self-help literature. Carnegie's teachings focus on how to build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and achieve success in both personal and professional life. The impact of his work has been felt by millions of people around the world, who have been inspired to improve their own lives and the lives of those around them.